How to create video on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create video on Canva. For that, you'll have to open your web browser and on the search bar type canva.com. Once you're on the home page of the Canva, click on the Create Design option located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select video from this option. You will be directed to this editing space. Here on the left side, you will see various video options. Select the video that is marked as free. Click and drag the video. You can also create your own video by clicking on this upload button and selecting a video file from your device. Once uploaded, you can further customize your video by using the editing tools available such as adding text, transition, music or effects. Once you are satisfied with your video, you can preview it. Also download it to your device. So this is how you can create video on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.